New series time. You guys may remember I asked you a few months ago about doing some tech projects, and we're about to get started on that. So today I'm here to introduce a new series called The Broken Tech. But don't worry, it's not going to be all laptops. So if that's your concern, we've got some other things. I'm going to play kind of fast and loose as far as tech goes. Like I have this whole shelf of these JL subwoofers that need the foam replaced. I have vintage computers that need revisited. I have home audio speaker projects. I have video game consoles that need maintenance. I have vintage car audio amplifiers that need recapped. So if all that sounds interesting to you, be sure to check out the TBT playlist that'll be coming out shortly, and we'll be adding on to that over time. So anything that's a broken tech video will be in that playlist. And don't worry, we're not gonna move away from TBLs, so the broken life. Those are gonna be the more mechanical videos and stuff like that. So as always guys, appreciate you stopping in. We'll see you on the next one.